In this episode, we are looking at the best PC case on the market for every price range. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we might not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update this description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated pricing, be sure to check out that description. Cooler Master Q500L Micro-ATX Tower. The movable I/O panel of this case makes it a versatile option for users. It supports a vertical and horizontal orientation while providing accessibility to the I/O in both cases. This case is designed for standard ATC motherboards, so users need to be sure of their motherboard before purchasing. Regardless of the fan configuration you choose, the top, rear, front, and bottom panels are perforated to ensure excellent airflow. It supports up to two 120mm fans or a 140mm fan and a 120mm or 240mm radiator depending on your arrangement. Thermaltake V250 ATX mid-tower chassis. The inclusion of three 120mm 5V ARGB fans is an excellent feature of this PC case. There are 7 unique lighting modes and 9 addressable LEDs on the side. The inclusion of three 120mm 5V ARGB fans is an excellent feature of this PC case. There are 7 unique lighting modes and 9 addressable LEDs on the fans. It uses a tempered glass panel on the left side that offers a scratch-resistant quality while remaining see-through for users to get a peek at the components inside. The I/O ports on this case include USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports, audio jacks, and an RGB button. It supports expansion for the VGA, CPU cooler, PSU, and motherboard. Halfway of our list, we bring you more products whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option. We'll relay all these items for you. Stay tuned.